Hello my loves. I've still got these on, look, they're coming off today actually because they've been on for 2 weeks and they're seriously growing out now. Okay, I've got the sniffles, it's hay fever, so I do apologise if I'm sniffly. I will try and edit out any sniffles so that you don't have to deal with my snotty nose. Okay, I've got a few packages that have come in and I've never done this before, but I thought I'd do like a PR. That sounds so posh. Oh my god, I thought I'd do a PR unboxing. I'm not like some celebrity or anything, but companies have trusted me and offered to share their product in return, I guess, for me sharing them, I suppose, and my honest opinions, which is very important. So I would show my face, but I look like shit, so I'm not going to. Let me show you what I got first. Now this one I did rip open yesterday because I was too excited and then regretted it because I wanted to show you guys. But hopefully, I've sort of potted them up now, but you can have a look and I'll tell you what the names are because I've got a list. So this is from Angel Crystals. These are the Swarovski Chaton Back, Pointed Back Blue Air Opal. You just make sure you can see them. You see how sparkly they are? Okay. Then we've got Swarovski Chaton Back Pointed Opal in Pacific. So that was Air Blue. This is Pacific Opal. Beautiful green colour. Look at that. Can't wait to use these. Then I have the Chaton Pointed Back in Yellow Opal. Now I've got the flat backs that match these already. I bought them a while back. Look at that. Stunning colour. Then we have, I've got loads of these as well, but I didn't have the Navette flat backs. These are the flat back Navettes in antique pink. Look at those. So gorgeous. These are the Navette flatbacks in rose gold. Oh my god, they're so gorgeous. They're like metallic. Ah. And finally, these are amazing. They're new. They're the square flatbacks in aurum gold. Look at those. Oh my life. So they've given me a discount code, which I'll put in the description box. Okay, what's next? Let's do this one next. Ugh. Right, this is my next package. So I was sent the Melody Suzie Efile with these bits, which are very nice looking, all different shapes and sizes. I took them out the packaging because it was easier for you to see them. And a dusty brush bit. Super cool. I'll give you a quick sneaky peek in here. I'm going to do a full review on this. I'm going to use it to take these off. So there will be a full review. I've not even taken this out the box yet. I've been really good. I've opened it and had a peek, but I've not taken it out. Nicely packaged. So user manual. Card with details for returns and things like that. Oh, okay. So this is the base unit. Oh, okay. So all the little new Efile bits can go in there. That's good because I'm running out of storage for Efile bits. What's this? Oh, power supply cable. And okay, this is the hand piece. Doing a Susie now, flinging stuff around. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. This feels good. That's lovely. And there's the foot pedal. Never used a foot pedal before, so that'll be interesting. Hope I don't saw my hand off. Right, so that's this unboxed, but I'll do a full review and discuss everything with you in a separate video, because I don't want to take too much time on this one, because I've got a few things to go through. So I'll put this back and I shall be with you. Right, next, I've got this far as to looking at this one, but I haven't gone into detail with it. This is from ModelOnes. I wasn't expecting all this. I was expecting some gel paint, but this all arrived. So this is, oh, okay. This is a lamp. How cute. I love their packaging. I love this. It's like matte with a shiny logo on. Oh, okay. There's the lead. Oh, right, so it's USB. Nice. Oh, that's very fancy looking. Oh, I like that. Oh, yeah, I really like that. Look at that. What else we got? Top and base coat. Very important. Ah, this is what I was expecting. The 6 colours of gel paint. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so it's got instructions in the lid. And it's got this cute shebang ding. What is this? Oh, how fancy. I have to get the stuff off this. You know when you get a new brush and it has that residue on it that holds it in place, you need to make sure you get rid of that. That's a lovely brush. Oh wow, fancy schmancy. I love that. Right, we'll get those out and do some designs with them. I'm going to be busy. I'm going to be really busy. I hope you guys don't mind getting bombarded with videos. I apologise if you do. Now, what's this? Oh, okay. Sorry, I sniffed. All right, so we've got a 100 180 grit file. Washable file, is it? I don't know. This is a washable and disinfectable buffer, 100 180. Awesome. Oh, got a cuticle pusher with a scraper on the end. Oh, got some striping tape, gold and silver. Look at these. These are, oh okay, for removal of the gel. Oh, fancy. Never used anything like that before. Awesome. Oh my God. I've scrubbed out my address. Again, I've lifted the lid on this, but I've not taken anything out because I was just so excited. Oh, sorry, sniff. This is from Sparkle & Co. And they do monthly subscription boxes, like, you know, like is it Ipsy bags or Birchbox, like with makeup, where you get a monthly box and you get some goodies in it. They do it with nails, which is an awesome idea. So they've got their details there. I don't know if you can see that in frame or not, but I'll put everything in the description box. Look how lovely this is. It's all pink. I love pink. Oh, what's this? Oh, look. I got a flamingo. Hey, you guys. Sorry. I'm so easily pleased. Just send me random stuff. I love it. I love a good unboxing. Right, okay. Do I just grab it? Wait up. Oh, it does this. Okay. Oh my God, it's like a beach bag. Look at that. How cool is that? It's like a little beach bag. Oh, okay. Oh, look. I've got some literature here. So it says here, yay, here is your custom code to share with your viewers. Look at that. So I'll put it in a description box, but this is for you guys to save some pennies if you sign up. Go follow them on Insta as well. This is some instructions. Bless me. Oh my God. Oh, I've got a little note that says, thank you so much, Sarah. Love, Monica. Oh, thank you so much, my darling. Some nice instructions. I've never used dip powder before, ever, ever, ever. I'm super curious. I'm just going to blow my nose. It's either hay fever or it's because the dog's shedding. Could be that. Right, what do I do? What am I like, peeps? Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm taking this to the beach on holiday. Oh, it's so pretty. Important notice, these 2 dip liquids are not part of the subscription. Usually you will get 1 each month, but because I needed them to do the complete application, they have included them. It may be a case that you can buy them separately, I don't know. Oh, I'm itching my eyeballs now. I've definitely got allergies. Right, so these are the 2 dip liquids. Okay, well, we know what they do, so we'll just keep them in there for now. Keep them nice and neat and tidy. This is lovely. What a lovely touch. You're going to see me try and do dip powders. Toes in the water, flamingos in the sand. Nothing tops the beach with sparkle and co on my hands. I love that. Where should we put this sticker? I'll put it up. Okay, what have we got? Oh, what's that? Oh, look! These little finishing touches really do make a company stand out, don't they? Let me get my scissors. Sniff. Okay. Yeah, I've never used a dip system before. Let me know if you have and if you like dip systems. I've never tried it. I'm very curious. Oh, pop. Oh, pop. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So, oh, they've labelled it. Oh my God, I love them. So this one is Baby Flamingo, and it's like a peachy nudie with this iridescent glitter sparkle in it. That's beautiful. So that's Baby Flamingo. Then we've got Let's Flamingo. That's a nice pink. Oh, wow. And we've got Let's Take a Dip. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? These are really pretty. Okay, so that's the dip powders. How pretty are they? God, when things like this come, I know it may sound really soppy, but I do like literally sit there and think, I'm really lucky. Like really lucky. This is the Solidify. We'll get to grips with all of it when I actually do the use of it, which will be soon, as soon as I can. I just have a lot of things to do. Okay, final package. It's a big one, it's a heavy one. So I had a message yesterday to say this was coming today, and I was like, oh my God! So I'm just going to try and get into it as best I can. It's heavy. It's really heavy. Oh, hello. Okay. These are the NailMate Elite Acrylic Powders. This is the ones they've got available. This is Glitterplanet's Details. So you can have a look at that. This is lush. I'm going to put this in my nails. Think Lorna will mind if I save it for my nails. Holy schmoly! My son loves this stuff. He uses this for making monsters. Right, let me get everything out and I'll show you. So if I put this box in front of me, it's a lot easier on my arms. Okay, first package is NailMate Silver Hollow Micro Shards. I'm loving this. This is very new. Green Glow Micro Shards. They're gorgeous. You see these? That's quite clever that you can see through the top as well. Green Micro Shards. Holy moly! NailMate Glitterplanet Large Smooth Top Drill Bit. Oh, that has got some chunky teeth on it. Woo! Oh, it's got a little pouch. It's like, oh my god, that finish. It's like pearlescent almost. How fancy. Oh, hello. Oh, look at that. Oh, I've never tried any like this. Have any of you tried these? Let me know. Again, it's got its own little bed to put it to sleep. Nice. Oh, they've got good tension on them too. Love those. Oh, look at the good little pouch. Look at the oh, hello. Oh my god. Now oh yeah, I like that. That's got a good tension on it too. Do you ever find if you buy pinching tools and if they don't have very good tension on the pinch, it's not worth it. So this is my current pinching tool. I've had this is from NailMate, and I've had this for 6 years, and it is really worth a revival. The tension's still good on it, but this has got a little bit better. Nice, nice. Another pouch. Oh, hello. Oh my god, it's like a rainbow cuticle tool. Splendid. Would you look at that? Brush, size 12 aqua brush. Okay. Oh, look at that, all new. Do you know, the aqua brush I've got, I've had for a year and a half. Now I've got a new one, and it's slightly bigger. I normally use a 10, but I was thinking to myself recently, because I tried a friend's brush that was bigger, and I thought, oh, maybe I need to get like, maybe I need to have an 8, a 10, and a 12, so that I can alternate between which nails I'm doing. Yep, oh, hang on. Yes, I'm gonna have fun with all these. This is the NailMate Crystal Clear Acrylic and Toasted Rose. How gorgeous is that? Oh yeah, that's nice. This is Peacock Green. Wow, Neon Green. Oh, Opal, how gorgeous. I don't know what colour this one is, but I'll find out. It's a gold, like a hollow gold. And Sunshine, which is a beautiful yellow. I love yellow. Got a real thing for yellows and oranges, but I never wear them really. Some luxury coconut cuticle oils, darling. Last but not least, some super glass. Da, 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 da. But I'm definitely keeping this. Thanks, Lorna. I'm going to put this in my nails. I wonder if she meant people to do that. It's a really good idea because it's lush. These as well. I'm going to have to plan lots of designs, aren't I? So you guys are going to be very entertained, and I'm going to be very busy. Let's just run through the mess that's in front of me right now. Okay, so here's my desk. There's my camera. There's my air conditioning unit. That's the desk at the moment. And then there's my my mess. Oh wow, it's not too bad, is it? I've seen my beautiful flowers. They're silk flowers that were given to me by a company called Unique Creations. I'll put their Instagram in. They're amazing. So that's that then. I suppose I better get off, tidy this up, and start filming my Efile review, taking these bad boys off because they have grown out. That's bad. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Tally bye.